Hey, where's Scooby? Go get him, Scooby. Where's he at? What are you doing over there? Where's Scooby? Scooby! You looking for me? Am I up in there? Hey, where am I at? Scooby! Hey. Hi, Scooby. There. Whoa, look at that. He's hidden. He hears me. He can't see me. Alright, what's wrong with this bike? It seems to be having a problem. That looks perfectly safe to me.
Absolutely. OSHA wouldn't have a thing to say about this.
Just pick him up and move him over. The airline's coming to me. I don't think there's a single problem with OSHA.
I think you're supposed to have one of those motorcycle straps hooked to you.
Why?
If you're more than 4 feet off the ground.
I'm on the ground. I'm not 4 feet in the air. This pedal would not ever break.
Very safe.
That's what I was thinking. Some people may get nervous. Oh, Scooby almost got it. I had the safety strap on.
Scooby, did you miss the safety meeting? The safety briefing?
So we need to unhook this one from there, move it over to here. There we go. Of course, you need to unhook it from the handlebar too. There we go. Oh, this has got white grips on this one. It's got some old stuff on here. The key is you got to wrap your hook so that it can't fall off. What's this one look like? Well, this one we don't need no more. There we go. Got too many hooks on the vehicle. That's the problem. Put the kickstand down. It can't go that way. It can only go backwards. I think we're maxed out on our strap again. I keep having that same problem. Oh well. No problem at all. And a strap. There you go. Release this one. They can undo this one. What are you giving a Sportster that came all made? Get 2 piles of crap. That looks a little dangerous.
Dangerous or safe? Make up your mind.
One of the two. Whoever's watching determines which one it is, right?
10-4.
I'm gonna keep it off the other blade for now. 2 more coming down. How do I get the forklift?
Scoob's wagging his tail. It must be safe.
There he is. Scooby found me. Well, before I do, let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on, get up there. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Come on, let's go. Come on. Give me a dropper. Scooby can't get up here. Scooby's dick's in the way, he can't get up. Alright, look out, Scooby. Alright, there you go. We are moving. Everybody thinks I'm not, but you know, all those bikes are no longer up there. We now have frames up there and boxes of the crap we moved from down the line. Pulling down pallet racking. These two are going out to this load. Those two go out this load. So we got lots of different bikes going out. Got a couple more over there going out over there. That pallet rack's coming down right there. That bike down there. We're gonna move that junk up there eventually, but for now we're pulling stuff out. I made a dent in that pile. So we empty out this whole pallet rack up here. It's full of stuff. So there's a couple more of my bikes coming out. So race bikes aren't going out yet. Anyway, you can see what we got. So there's the bike that's at the head of the line. I'll wind up building these down the road next few years. Evils become more valuable. These are all registered 05 Special Constructions. They're pre-smog bikes, but not that it really matters because nobody cares. But it was supposed to be a big thing back in the day, but the rules are not enforced. They are what they are. There's my 53K model there. An old street bike. This here's a fat boy looking bike. It was going to be a shovel head, but I got one still in the cases out of it, so I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. It's got the frame cut up here to go with an Evo, so we'll do it. So these bikes are all registered already, even though they're brand new. So still got all the labels on them when they're brand new. Everything you're looking at's new. So I got a few frames I got to clear out. They'll be coming. Got my old bikes to pull out too. These are all the frames that were down there. They'll go in later after we get all the bikes and stuff in. You start backfilling the container with other crap. That way they'll never get to the bikes. So another pan will be going. So my ugly shovel, it'll be going. So here's a truck. Dad's truck's all loaded. So we got 3 Sportsters jammed in there. Yeah, and the xlcr. That's this one. And there's also a shovel head buried in there. There's an 80 shovel head basket case in there too. Big twin junk. More stuff. So there you go. We're clearing out. Slowly but surely, it's coming out. So another month back here, we'll have this place emptied out. Then we'll move forward. Start moving all this out. First thing gonna be out that big shelf unit. Yeah. Right. That all bolts together with nuts and bolts. Pain in the butt. Race bikes are not going out for now. If we're lucky, we might get a racing before we move, but I doubt it. We'll see. Anyway, eventually all this stuff will be out of here. But for now, we are doing what we're doing. So there you go. And of course, I got the favorite Swift bike to work on yet. More projects. I gotta get this pan head put together so I can roll it. That'll be another bike coming out. So there you go. All right. That's what it looks like.